Get in shape with dance. Welcome to my channel. Warm up. Begin with a 5 to 10 minute warm up to get your body ready for exercise. This could include light cardio exercises such as jumping jacks, jogging on the spot, or dancing to your favorite music. Choose your exercises. Decide on a set of gym exercises that you want to incorporate into your dance routine. This could include exercises such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Choose your music. Choose music with a strong beat that will help you keep time during your workout. You could also choose music with a specific genre or style that will match the dance moves you want to incorporate. Create your routine. Start by incorporating simple dance moves between your gym exercises. For example, you could do a set of squats followed by a few dance moves, then a set of lunges followed by more dance moves. You could also try doing a dance move and then adding a gym exercise to the end of it. Be creative and experiment with different combinations. Cool down. End your workout with a 5 to 10 minute cool down. This could include light stretching, breathing exercises, or more dancing to help bring your heart rate down gradually. Practice and refine. Practice your routine several times until you feel comfortable with it. Refine it as needed by adding or removing exercises or dance moves. Remember to listen to your body and modify the routine as needed to suit your fitness level and abilities. Have fun and get creative with your dance and gym exercise routine. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below.